Welcome or welcome back to my channel where it's all about tap and love. Can you believe we are already in the 4th video of our beginner tutorial series? In today's video, we are going to be adding in the ball change. Although today's tutorial is going to be short and sweet, the ball change is a very important tap step to learn when you're learning how to dance. A ball change can be added to shuffles, scuffles, flaps, and a whole bunch of other tap steps. And chances are, if you've ever seen someone tap dance, you've seen a ball change. And just what is a ball change, you ask? Just stay tuned and you're going to learn not only what a ball change is, but how to do it, and then you're going to even learn a quick combination so that you can practice this step later. Okay guys, let's learn the ball change. A ball change is a dance move that consists of 2 steps. It's basically just a weight change from the ball of your foot back to the other foot. Let's start by going back. We're going to step on the ball of our right foot, and we're going to put our weight on it, and then we're going to step back onto the left foot. Step. So to the side, that looks like ball, step, ball, change. So you can do a ball change to the back, ball, change. You can do a ball change to the side, ball, change. You can do a ball change to the front, ball, change. And the ball change can be added on to a ton of different steps. For instance, we could do a step ball change. So starting with the left foot, we would do step on the left foot, ball, change. Now the biggest challenge is going to be to transfer that weight and transfer it back to the original foot. So to the side, that would look like step, ball, change, step, ball, change, step, ball, change. We can also add a ball change to a shuffle. So starting with the right foot, a shuffle ball change is shuffle, ball change to the back, ball, change. So that would look like shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. To the side, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. We can also add a ball change to a flap. Flap on the right foot, ball change with the left foot, ball, change. So let's try that again. Flap, ball, change. Flap, ball, change. To the side. Flap, ball, change. Flap, ball, change. Flap, ball, change. Before we get to the ball change practice combination today, I want to do a quick shout out. This shout out goes to Southern Appalachian Repertory Theater Company, SART. SART is a professional theater company in Mars Hill, North Carolina, and they have produced scores of musicals, plays, and original works. They have been kind enough to share my tap tutorial videos over their social media accounts lately, and if you want to learn more about what SART is doing in North Carolina, check them out in the link in the description box below. All right, let's learn the ball change practice combination. We're going to start out with flaps going to the right. So we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to do 3 flaps. Flap, flap. The third one is going to add a ball change. Flap, ball change. To the front. Flap, 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 ball change. We just finished the ball change on our left foot. Now the weight is in the right foot. Now we're going to do a shuffle with our left foot. Shuffle, ball change to the front. Then we're going to shuffle again. Shuffle, ball change to the back. I'm going to do everything to the front now so that you can see what it looks like. Flap, 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 ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. We're going to keep going. Now you're going to do 3 chugs. We're going to do a chug on the left, chug. Then we're going to do a chug on the right and another chug on the left. Chug, chug. So we just did shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, chug, chug, chug. Then we're going to do shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, touch. That last ball change is actually going to make you change direction. So let's do it to the front. So the timing is 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Chug, that last one, you're changing directions. Shuffle, step, third shuffle, shuffle, ball, change. So you're stepping out to the side, shuffle, ball, and you're rotating on it, change, touch. Actually, I did that incorrectly. You're going to actually step on that right foot at the end rather than just touch. So it's going to go shuffle, step, shuffle, ball, change, step. You're gonna put your weight on it. That's not a touch, it's a step. So I'm gonna face the back again so our feet are matching up. So we're gonna do the exact same combination again to the left, starting on the left foot. We're gonna go very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Chug, chug, chug. Now, this is where it's gonna change a little bit. We just finished the chugs. Chug, chug, chug. Now we're going to do a brush heel, starting with the left foot, forward. Brush, this is with the ball of your foot, your toe tap, not your heel tap. Brush forward, heel drop on that standing heel. Brush, heel, then we're gonna do a spank heel, crossing in front of the other foot. Spank, heel, another brush heel, ball, change. So again, that is brush, heel, spank, heel, brush, heel, ball, change. To the front, that is with the left foot, brush, heel, spank, heel, brush, heel, ball, change. So let's do the entire thing a little bit faster without music, and then we're gonna try it with music. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ball out, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Chug, chug, chug. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, step. Ball out, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Chug, chug, chug. And 1 and 2 and 3, ball change. Okay, let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I.
You did a great job learning the ball change today and adding it to steps that you've already learned. Remember, if you're enjoying these tutorials, you can help me by supporting this channel and getting these videos in front of others. 1, subscribe to my channel, which is huge. 2, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. 3, don't forget to click that little bell so that you will be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And 4, take a second to leave a quick comment about the video below. Please remember to check out the other videos in this series, and you can tag me on Instagram anytime you have a question. Thanks everybody, have fun tapping!